Hi kids! Today we're going to do our Project 10 Pan. And I don't know, it's not going well or whatever. Okay, let's talk about this. First of all, we have finished the Scentbird Gucci Guilty. Yay! It is gone. And actually you can reappropriate this because these screw off and you can fill it with something else. So that's pretty cool. I really like that scent and I fully intend on buying it again sometime in the future, probably from Scentbird again because it's expensive. Next I finished an Ulta Salon Formula Super Mauve. I love this color. It is it's an Ulta brand, just a regular Ulta brand, and it's just a beautiful color. It was a different color than what I thought it was going to be, and so I was kind of disappointed, but then I started using it and I'm like, I'm not disappointed, I'm surprised. It's a good color. I fully intend on buying this color again after I go through some of my nail polishes. Next, we lost the Cover FX Shimmer Veil in the color Amethyst. It was like a glittery liquid eyeshadow. It was really pretty, wasn't my favorite. We moved. A few things got lost in the move. That's one of them. And I'm taking out the Lottie London Blush Crush in Drake. It was 34 grams. It's currently 33 grams. I'm just taking it out because I have other blushes from other projects and I don't really need this one in a project right now, so I'm just going to take it out for a while. Next thing I'm taking out is the Balm in the Palm of Your Hand Volume 2. It was 173 grams. It's currently 172 grams. It looks like that. This is Bahama Mama, and I like it. It's not my favorite, but I like it. And this is Down Boy and Frat Boy, and I really like these blushes, but the formula in this palette is not as good as the formula in the singles. I'm very disappointed. All of these eyeshadows, I can't make a look with this. I mean, I can, but I don't want to make a look with this. All of these are eye safe though, so you can use all of these, the bronzer, the blush, everything. So you can get a look out of this palette, but it's not a good eye look. It's a decent, boring one. The only thing that I really like in here is the Mary Lou highlighter. I decluttered my other one because I wasn't using it, and I wish I hadn't because I can see myself decluttering this. Just because I don't like the eyeshadows and the blushes aren't as good as the singles. The Bahama Mama bronzer I've used quite a bit of it. I just don't think any of this is as good as the singles. I think the quality of this palette is lower. The things I'm still working on. Number 1, Dose of Colors Statement. It was 50 grams. It is still currently 50 grams. It's very pretty. It looks used. That's about as most I can say. It's so pigmented and so soft. You just need a little tiny bit when you use it. Next is my Physicians Formula Super CC. This is, I've hit quite a bit of pan. This is in the color Light. It's Super CC Color Correction Plus Care CC Powder SPF 30 Broad Spectrum Sunscreen Light. What a name. I like this powder. It doesn't have any color correcting. That's whatever. But I do like the powder. I do like Physicians Formula. Most of their powders, they're pressed powders. 36 grams. I'm surprised there's any powder left in it as much as I use it. But hey, you know, whatever. This is Winky Lux's Uni-Brow. That's what it's called. And I am finally getting somewhere. Look at that. There's only that much left. I am so happy. That's kind of gross. I've been working on this since November. Today, though, I use my MAC. Whatever. That was 9 grams. It's currently 9 grams, and I know those 9 grams of packaging. Okay. My Tarte Tarteist lip paint and Get It is 18 grams. It's currently 18 grams. It's kind of like a peachy color. I really like this. This is my favorite formula of liquid lipstick, of anything that I put on my lips. That's my favorite formula. Next, we have the Baebody. It is the Baebody Beauty Eye Gel. It was 148 grams. It's currently 132 grams. It's really easy for me to use skincare. Skincare is something that's really important to me, so when I put that in my panning projects, is really easy for me to use. It has one of those airless pumps where you just pump it up and the product comes out the top. I have mixed feelings about this pump. I really like it. I think it's extremely hygienic, and I like when it gets up there and you can just take off, you know, you can wipe it clean. It's very sanitary. But I don't know if it's just this product, because this is the only product I have with one of those pumps, or if it's that type of pump. But sometimes only a little tiny bit comes out, sometimes a lot comes out. So it's kind of difficult to work with, but whatever. Okay, things I'm going to add in. And I'm adding in some gimmies, but if they're not in a project, I won't use them. Okay, first of all, this one I will use all the time. I love this one. It's Scentbird Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. And it's 15 grams. If you can see the product, there's not much in there. It's only about that much. I told myself that I couldn't order any more Scentbirds until I used up my Scentbirds. And this is my last one. Yay! It shouldn't take very long to use that. The thing about it is that it's a very strong scent. So it shouldn't take long. But with it being such a strong scent, you don't apply very much. So we'll see. Next, this is something I'm really excited about. I'm throwing in like the sample because we all get samples from everywhere. So I'm throwing in the sample. This is the Good Chemistry Queen Bee perfume with essential oils, and it is vegan and cruelty free, and it has blackcurrant, peony. It has blackcurrant, peony, and amber. It smells amazing. So I'm excited to try that. Next two things we are adding in, and these are the, oh, there's a very large bug flying around in my room. Well, that's what happens when it's 102 degrees. I'm throwing in a couple of sheet masks. This is My Beauty Diary Black Pearl Mask. It's Refresh Serum, brightening, whatever. I hate masking. So this is what we have. I'm going to try it, see what happens. I hate masking. The next one is from Masque Bar, and I think I don't know where I got that one, but I think this one came in a Walmart box. Anyways, it's one of those soothing sheet masks, whatever. I hate masking. And I think, yeah, that's it. Number 10 is this palette right here. This is, hopefully you can see it. Okay, this is an old MAC palette, and I have put some eyeshadows in here. This right here is Wet n Wild Brûlée. All of these up here are crown shadows. These two over here are rock shadows. And I just want to use some of these up. They're all colors that I obviously wanted, saved, and I can get really nice eye looks out of just what's in that palette. So that is 210 grams, and I don't have any delusion of using it all up, but I'd like to get some use on it. So that is what I am adding in. So that is my 10 products for my rolling 10 pan, and hopefully we use up some of these products, get out some of these samples, get out some of these masks. Yeah, I still have a mask from my Disney project that I have not used. I will put my Disney project, I'll link that up in the cards, up here, up there, there's an eye. Hit it. Hit the eye. Hit the eye. And I will see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye!